When I saw that background on the internet, you know I had to steal it. It's called watercolors. It wasn't that hard to copy, I just had to adjust the size. It looks amazing. The only problem, it's such a busy background it's hard to do anything on top of it. I added those shadows, that helped a whole lot. And then the text, I just had to make that bigger. There's just no getting around that. I'll leave some details in the description, of course, but I ran into some nasty bugs. Depending how you ask for a drop shadow, it likes to round off to the nearest pixel, which maybe made sense back in the 90s, but pixels aren't even real anymore. You don't know what size a pixel is. That's the whole point of this stuff. I can resize it and, well, check my notes if you're planning to use a shadow with SVG. You won't have to make the same mistakes that I did. Well, I like this one a lot, but it's a little too busy. That background might work with just one of those circles in the middle and just one or two colors. Thank you as always for joining me on this journey. It's good to explore SVG. The more I'm out there, the more I realize a lot of people are using this, but it's still the frontier. There's still a lot of stuff that doesn't work well and isn't documented well. And we're really pushing the limits in this series. Like, share, and subscribe.